Hi, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you curious about intermittent fasting? In this video, we'll explore the benefits of intermittent fasting for beginners, debunk common myths, and provide tips for getting started. Before starting, please subscribe my channel, it will be a great support. Let's dive in. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is not a diet, but a pattern of eating. It involves alternating periods of eating and fasting to promote weight loss, improve health, and increase longevity. Benefits. Here are the benefits of intermittent fasting. Weight loss, reduce insulin resistance and boost metabolism. Improved blood sugar control. Lower blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Increased human growth hormone, HGH. Boost HGH for better muscle growth and repair. Enhanced autophagy, remove damaged cells and proteins for a healthier body. Improved mental clarity and focus. Increase production of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. Debunking common myths. Myth, you'll lose muscle mass. Actually, intermittent fasting can help preserve muscle mass. Myth, you'll be weak and tired. Most people report increased energy levels after adapting. Myth, it's too restrictive. There are many flexible methods to suit your lifestyle. Getting started. If you're new to intermittent fasting, start with a 12-hour window of eating and 12 hours of fasting. Gradually increase the fasting period as your body adapts. Tips for success. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water during fasting periods. Listen to your body, if you feel weak or dizzy, adjust your fasting schedule. Plan your meals, eat nutrient-dense foods during your eating window. Common methods. 16:8 method. Fast for 16 hours. Eat within an 8-hour window. 5:2 diet, eat normally for 5 days. Restrict calories to 500 to 600 on the other 2 days. Alternate day fasting. Alternate between days of normal eating and days of calorie restriction. Conclusion. Intermittent fasting is a simple yet powerful tool for improving your health. Remember to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new fasting regimen. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content.